Turns out all this time, the instruction to repair is right here. Selamat pagi! Good morning everyone, Kenneth here. Today I'm gonna do a very quick video on how to fix the pairing issue on the Haylou GT1. So basically why I just do this now is because I just realized that actually it's there in the manual book, this section right here. Before starting, I would like to say thank you to these two people right here for the step-by-step tutorial. Thank you very much for your contribution, and for anyone else who is still having the problem, this video is for you. So let's start. First, take both earbuds out from the case and it will turn on by itself, and you will have to turn it off by holding the touch sensor for a couple seconds here until the red LEDs both turn on just like that. And then you want to hold it for another 15 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, that is done. So it doesn't have to be 15 seconds, just until they flash together red and white. That means they are paired and powered off. So what you're gonna do right now is to turn them back on. 1, 2, 3, and that is on. And quick flashing means they are searching for each other, and now that they are paired, this slow flashing of the right side indicates that they are ready to pair. So if you have any Haylou GT1 paired before, you will have to unpair that one, and you can see that I found another new device right here. You can just press on it and now the problem should be solved. So that is pretty much it for the video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do give it a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Reviews for the Haylou GT1 are coming soon, and many more earphones and tech stuff out there. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.